We are so happy that you are interested in becoming a tutor with Athletic Academic Services. Please watch this short video before you proceed with the application to make sure we're a good fit for you. In Athletic Academic Services, we provide content-specific support to help clarify and reinforce course material. Tutors should be content specialists and implement relevant strategies to support learning. Tutors are also expected to identify and use relevant resources in tutoring sessions to promote learning. We are looking for tutors that are experts in course content. To tutor a course, you must have received an A or a B in the course and feel confident in your abilities to work with others in that content area. Tutors must maintain a 3.0 or higher GPA and have a sophomore class standing or higher. All tutoring sessions will take place at the Nieri Family Student Athlete Enrichment Center. The sessions are one-on-one and you will meet with the same students each week. You will have a set schedule, but appointments might not always meet because of cancellations. Cancellations happen frequently due to a variety of reasons, like no new class material, athletic travel schedules, and other student-athlete related circumstances. We do all scheduling at the beginning of the semester and match tutors with student-athletes based on student-athletes' needs and availability. Tutors have a set weekly schedule, but it is very important that you understand that all appointments on your schedule are not guaranteed to meet each week. Cancellations are a regular part of this position. While you have a set schedule each week, appointments can be canceled up to 8 hours prior to the appointment occurring. This can impact a tutor's schedule and the amount of income they receive each week. In addition to cancellations, you could be asked to pick up additional appointments or adjust the times of your scheduled appointments. We try to schedule a tutor's appointments back to back, but that is not always possible. If your schedule has short breaks, we have an abundance of study areas that you can use throughout the building to complete your own work. Undergraduates are paid $9 an hour, and graduates are paid $12 an hour. Once again, pay may vary due to cancellations and other conflicts with student schedules. If you are looking for a consistent paycheck each week, this might not be the best fit for you. We are open Sundays, 3 p.m. to 9:30 p.m., Monday through Thursday, 8 a.m. to 9:30 p.m., and Fridays, 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Our busiest times for tutoring are all-day Sundays, weekday mornings from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m., and weekday evenings from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. Tutors are expected to attend tutor training at the beginning of each semester. New tutors will be required to attend 2 training sessions, and returning tutors will be required to attend 1 training session. There will also be follow-up trainings provided throughout the semester that are required for all tutors. Tutors are compensated for their time spent in these trainings. We ask that tutors take their job seriously and therefore have a strict cancellation policy. We ask that you make every effort to attend your scheduled appointment. If for some reason you cannot attend, we ask that you notify us at least 5 business days in advance. Since this job works with athletics and academics, there are some unique rules that apply to our department. Academic integrity is very important to our department and to Clemson University. We enforce strict integrity guidelines, and working with students on graded assignments is prohibited. Tutors are not allowed to give student-athletes anything that could be considered an extra benefit. This includes, but is not limited to, study material, rides, money, and food. Tutors also cannot receive tickets to sporting events from student-athletes. There is to be no communication with student-athletes outside of Nieri. This applies to all student-athletes, not just the ones that you are tutoring. If you have a prior relationship with a student-athlete, please disclose it to us in the application process so we do not assign you to tutor that student. Lastly, as a Clemson Athletic Department employee, gambling on sporting events is not allowed. This includes fantasy teams and NCAA brackets. Now that you know a little more about us, we would like to learn a little more about you. Please complete and submit the application form below. Once we have reviewed your application and determined if you are a good fit for our program, we will contact you via email.